This video lesson is about solving systems of equations by graphing. So a system of equations is when you have more than one equation and you are going to find the ordered pair that satisfies both equations. You're going to find the xy coordinate point that is going to make both of these equations true. Now, the first way that we're going to solve these is by graphing. So really what we're doing is we are looking for where these graphs intersect, where these graphs share a point. So we see that both of these are in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to start by graphing this top equation. So I see that I am in the form y equals mx plus b. So my b value is -4. That's here. And my slope is -5/4. So that's down 5 to the right 4, but that's not really going to work for where I am on this graph. So I'm also going to be able to go up 5 into the left 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I connect these 2 points, I now have the line y equals -5/4x minus 4. Okay, second equation. I have 1/2 x plus 3. So again, I'm in y equals mx plus b. My b value is +3. And my slope is 1/2. So that's up 1/2. I can also go down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. And there I have found it. So I'm looking for where these graphs intersect. And it is right here at that ordered pair, -4, +1. So I can always check my answer. This is x, this is y. So y equals mx plus b, and y equals mx plus b. So -5 times -4 is +20. +20 divided by 4 is 5. And 5 minus 4 is definitely 1. Over here, half of -4 is -2. And -2 plus 3 is also 1. Okay, second example. What if I don't have a fraction for a slope? We know that any integer can be written as the integer over 1. And if we just see an x, we know that's also 1/1. So I'm going to start by graphing 8x minus 4. So I'm going to start down here at -4. That's my y-intercept. And I'm going up 8 to the right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right 1.
Hi, Ms. Baker.
Hi. Okay, now I'm going to connect those dots and make a straight line. And the second line is 1x plus 3. So my y-intercept is a +3. And my slope is up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1. Or I could also go down 1 to the left 1, down 1 to the left 1. And of course, I'm going to connect that as well. And I can see that the point that both of these share is the point 1, 4. So again, I'm looking for where these graphs are crossing, where they're touching, and 1, 4. So I can check it. This is x, this is y. So y equals 8x minus 4. Is 8 minus 4 equal to 4? Absolutely. I can check it in the second equation as well. Y equals x plus 3, and is 4 equal to 1 plus 3? Absolutely. Y equals -1 is a horizontal line at -1. Horizontal lines have 0 slope. They have a y-intercept. Vertical lines have an undefined slope. They have x-intercepts. Just a little acronym that can help sometimes. Okay, -5/2x plus 4 has a y-intercept of 4 and a slope of -5/2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, somewhere down there. And of course, I'm going to connect that. And I see that my lines intersect. Oh, that wasn't the highlighter. I see that my lines intersect at this point of +2, -1. I'm actually like unable to check this ordered pair here because it's just saying the y is -1, which it is. So then I can check it over here. -1 is equal to -5/2x plus 4. -5/2 times 2. -5 times 2 is -10. Divided by 2 is -5. And -5 plus 4 is definitely -1. So what if it's not in slope-intercept form? What if it's not in y equals mx plus b? We put our equation into y equals mx plus b. So I've got to do a little bit of work over here. I will add 7x to both sides and divide everything by 2. So I have 7/2x plus 9. This is not going to be easy for me to graph. So I'm going to just do the best that I can. 6 would be here, 7 would be here, 8 would be here, 9 would be here. So 7/2 means I'm going up 7 to the right 2, but I'm already like way off the graph. So instead, I'm going to go down 7 and I'm going to go left 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left 2. Okay. My second equation is 6x plus 6y equals 0. Subtract 6x from both sides. Divide both sides by 6. Means my y-intercept is 0. And my slope is -1/1. Down 1 to the left 1. Down 1 to the left 1. Down 1 to the left 1. Also, up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. And now I've found my intersection point. So my intersection point is right here, and it's -2, +2. And of course, I could check that and plug it back in and make sure everything is fine and dandy and works. Okay. One more example. So again, I'm going to take my equation and solve it for y. Add 3x to both sides. Divide both sides by 3. Ooh, that's not fun. Okay, 4/3 is 1 1/3. So that's about here. And I'm going to go up 1/1. Okay, second equation. Add x to both sides. Y is equal to x plus 3. So that's my slope of 1 again. And these lines are what we call parallel.